Hey everyone, today I'm going to tell you the latest updates for Hamster Combat Update Airdrop new features for September 2024. So the first thing is that there should be a brand new system for clans and teams, and it is like said to replace the current earning method with new features directly tied to the use of teas. That's right, teas are going to be a crucial element in this earning, and also it should revamp how rewards are calculated, shifting from a card based system to one that revolves around keys. Essentially, you'll need to acquire keys to purchase special cards, each with the potential to significantly boost your earnings. And then on September 4th, there should be an airdrop, but this is mostly rumors and things like that here and there. But yeah, stay updated. Also, keep a track on their official Twitter page because that is where they put all of the updates. It has like the airdrop token which was supposed to be done in August, that has been delayed to September. So yeah, make sure to keep an eye out for that. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.